How to receive STD test results securely online. Welcome to today's video, how to receive STD test results securely online. If you've ever worried about privacy when getting tested, this one's for you. Many people avoid STD testing because they fear judgment, embarrassment, or breaches of confidentiality. But the good news is, you don't have to sacrifice your privacy to take control of your health. With eNational testing, you can order your test online, get tested at a local lab, and then receive your results securely, without anyone else knowing. Here's how it works. After you order your test online, you'll receive a confidential lab referral. You simply visit one of the thousands of partnered labs across the country. No appointment required. No awkward conversations. The process usually takes about 15 minutes, and the lab staff never knows what specific test you're taking. Once your sample is processed, your results are sent to your private online account. No phone calls, no mail to your home, no risk of someone else seeing your information. Only you can log in and view your results. And everything is protected with encrypted technology for maximum security. If your results are positive, a licensed physician is available to speak with you and even help with prescriptions when necessary. And if your results are negative, you can move forward with peace of mind, knowing you took action for your health without anyone else ever being involved. So don't wait or put your health at risk because of fear or embarrassment. Getting tested should be easy, private, and secure. And with eNational testing, it is. Click the link in the description now to order your confidential STD test and receive secure results online. Take control of your health today.